Well, we'll win in a drag race between the new Lamborghini Temerario and a Ferrari SF90. Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, and you're watching Carwow. So, this is going to be interesting. Both these cars, 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 3 electric motors. This Lamborghini has 920 horsepower. That Ferrari has 1,000 horsepower, and it's being driven by my friend Mark McCann. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? Good to see you again. It's been a while.
It's been a while. Normally you're in a Lamborghini, but today you're in a Ferrari. Do you think you're going to win?
This car is so fast and so clever. If it's beaten, I'm not going to say I'm surprised because we're 6 years further down the line with that car, but it's going to take some beating.
Yeah, but that's from the class above. It's more expensive. This is the entry-level Lamborghini. That's the higher-level Ferrari. Let's get into it though, Mark. Let's not mess about. Let's do a drag race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, got him off the line.
Oh, he's had a better launch.
Can you catch me up?
Come on, stop spinning.
No chance.
Oh!
He's coming, but not too little too late.
Oh, he's going to be so happy now.
Oh dear, Mark, what happened?
I've got some in the tank, don't you worry. I'm just lulling you into a false sense of security so I could see that lovely smile.
And then it's all going to come back.
Well, I'm not sure about that. Honestly, this car is quick. I know that is. Let's do some of the racing first. 1-0 to the Lamborghini.
I'm nervous, all my hands are shaking.
My whole body's shaking. It always does now. I'm that age. All right then, Mark. What we're going to do now is a rolling race in sport mode and automatic mode for the gearbox. I'll set the pace at 50 miles an hour. We're going to race to the half mile. 3, 2, 1, go. What?
Oh, gone.
What on earth?
Absolutely gone.
Boom, that just kicked. I can't believe it. So this car changed down like I'd expect a car to change down. Yours, it's like someone flicked it, it just went ting.
It felt just as fast, even in that other mode. It's sort of like new interchange. That's why it's so clever. This car is just like a computer genius.
It is, it just knows exactly what you want it to do and it does it. So I'm going to get rid of my excuse of the gearbox. We're going to do that again, but this time, third gear, roll on, manual mode, sport your setting. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Look at that SF90 go.
Oh, this car. Oh, bad gear change as well.
It's not a massive difference.
This car is flipping great. So quick.
Look at it. Wow. I mean, this has a lot of speed, but that just has more. I mean, this is incredible when you compare it to the Huracan. You know, if we're doing back-to-back with the Huracan, you can see a massive step change, but that step change was taken by Ferrari years ago.
Yeah, that's the thing. I feel like for the money where this is, to beat this car is going to be a £2-3 million hypercar.
Yeah, exactly. It's right. All right, first gear roll on from 10 mile an hour, the start will start us. Before that though, let's just do a quick sound check, see which car sounds the best. Rev up your car, Mark.
Not bad.
I think this sounds better.
Does it though?
Yeah, because mine goes all the way up to 10, yours doesn't. Soft limits it, doesn't it?
8.
In fact, I think that the 296 sounds better than the SF90, to tell you the truth. But anyway, let's do this race. Before then, if you're thinking about selling your car, you can do it through Carwow, dead easy. You just upload some photos of your car, give a description, and then dealers all across the country will bid on it. To find out more about that now, just click on the description or the pop-out banner or scan the QR code. Alternatively, just Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you sell your car. picked up all right.
Oh, good gear change.
Oh, here he comes. Oh, he's come past now.
Here we go.
Not a massive gap. Right, it was close, but you did just ease past and stay ahead. How fast were you going over the line?
180, 181, 182, that sort of figure.
I saw 185 on mine. That was intense. Remember, it's 1-0 to me. We're going to go into the drag race now. But let's just do one last bit of warming up our tyres so we're good to go by doing a quick brake test for 100 miles an hour. Now, if you'd rather watch another drag race, click on the pop-out banner there or scan the QR code on screen now. Blimey. This car is heavier, but that is quite a difference, isn't it? Don't you think?
But you know, when you have like the next lunge, mine just about stopped for the next lunge on the ABS. So
No, though. Our tyres should be warm. Let's get back to the drag racing.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he got a better launch than me.
oh, he's got him.
He hasn't been on for ages and he got a better launch. I can do so much better than that.
Where's the cones?
Ah!
Yes. First one to McCann.
That was really interesting. So in the first race earlier on, I got a better launch than you. My reaction was better, but this time, complete role reversal. Yours was quicker. It's one each. Ooh.
It's getting exciting.
3, 2, 1.
Slightly better launch. I'm ahead of him.
Come on. Oh, I've got a bit of spin.
Come on, you little bugger.
Oh, this is good. This is close.
Oh no, he's just edging ahead.
Oh, look at that Ferrari power.
He's just going ahead. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no. Do you know what that means?
Does that mean I've won and I get a gold star?
No, because it's best 3 out of 5. It means I need to win the next one. Otherwise, then you have definitely won and you do get a gold star. I'll give you a diamond star, actually.
No pressure. You just enjoy yourself. Don't put any pressure on yourself.
Yeah, classic. Don't you try to psych me out, Mr. McCann.
Imagine if you don't get this start quite right. Oh, those tyres are looking bold.
That'll give me more traction. I'd be like I'm on slicks. Brilliant. Just remember, even though your car is old, it's still the more expensive version. It's from the tier above this, and it's close, Mark. I don't think this race, regardless, is doing much for SF90 values.
The problem is, I don't mean like that thing looks amazing, but I feel like mine's already done the money and I didn't buy it new. So I feel like even in a depreciation battle, I think I'm still doing all right.
How come you haven't had a Temerario? I mean, you were always a Lambo fanboy.
I think it's just the age of the new car now. That's my problem. I just feel like they're not as special as they were. I'm also worried about like the times and losing 70 grand, which literally that could, I'm not saying it will, so don't sue me Lamborghini, but it could lose a load of money and I'm getting too old for that now.
This is a man who's just spent £1 million on a broken Bugatti Veyron, but I actually think you're very shrewd because that car will go up in value. Will this win the race though? That's what we need to find out.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's a jump.
You got me psyched out, Mark. You got me psyched out.
If we were in the Olympics now at running race, you'd be disqualified.
I would so be disqualified.
I feel like you've left yourself down. All that pressure which you are now under must be really getting to you.
There is a small river running down my back, Mark.
Remember, don't go too early, but don't go too late.
That's the thing. I know I need to time this perfectly. Otherwise, this car has no chance. If I time it perfectly and you don't, I could be in with a shot.
3, 2, 1.
Good launch.
Oh. Oh no!
Yes, baby!
Come on! Oh, it's going to be so close!
Oh, is he going to come back?
Oh no! Oh, it's all to play for. Oh.
I've got some bad news for you. This car just got quicker.
I did spin, change gear, spin, change gear, spin. So that was the worst this could ever do, and it was still close.
Yeah, but if I get another one like I just got, and you get another one like you just got, I'll win. This is the decider.
Stop trying to psych me out. I know what you like. This is the Birmingham in you.
You just spent the last 5 minutes psyching me out.
Right, no more messing about now. I'm doing this properly now. This is my A game.
Okay, real talk now. I do feel slightly nervous, do you?
Cause stay at me. But I still feel like it's mine. If these gears changes, you've got no chance. Come on, Ferrari.
Come on, Lamborghini.
1.
Oh, it's so close!
Don't spin.
Oh, bugger!
Oh, he's got it. He's not spinning.
Oh, damn it!
Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yes, SF90. Thank you, Ferrari. Right, everyone, ready for the excuses?
I had a moment of hope, but it was soon dashed the moment you just came past me, and then it was game over, wasn't it?
I didn't have any wheel spin then, like the gear change. It's all about them gear changes. I'm shaking so bad, so bad.
That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. The SF90 is still the daddy, but my God, for the entry-level Lamborghini, this thing is nuts, isn't it?
It is, and that haven't they done well, because it looks absolutely stunning. You know, that hasn't even got all that aero kit on and stuff, and it still looks beautiful. They've always made a good-looking car, that's for certain.
But not good looking enough for you to want to buy one. Let's find out how quick these cars actually went.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Ferrari won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.7 seconds. The Lamborghini took 9.8 seconds.
Huge thank you to Joe, who lent me this car. If you want to check him out, he's got an Instagram channel called Affluent Time, right? Go follow him there. Listen, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know some other drag races you'd like to see with this Temerario in the comments. If you want to watch some other videos, click on the video windows. And if you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, click on the carwow logo to head to the carwow drag race leaderboard. My mind is fried. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.